To factory reset your Polar Critics, press on the menu button right here and then scroll down to the very last option, which is Settings. Get inside with that button here and select General Settings. Then scroll down to the very last option one more time, which is About your watch, this one. Select it and again scroll down at the very bottom. You can hold that lower button and you will find over here you got turn off reset all settings and reset all settings, all data and settings. So this will reset absolutely everything. Reset your watch till you restore blah, 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 blah. Let's do this. So you hit that button on the right just one time, should be fine. And you wait for the watch to restart like a brand new one. And there we are. This should take around a minute.